to hold. With glory woven through my everlasting road. Oh, as I sink into the sky, I fall believing I could fly. Yet in this indecisive world, with those with hesitation turn, yeah, the mislaid message from above makes way for man who never loved. Now everybody wants to be a man, somewhere smiling, and everybody wants to be the man. Plastic hands and those who strengthen hearts. So why don't I sell my soul to the devil? Maybe you'll know what to do. Maybe I see glory days and smell sweet perfume. You see me deal with the devil, at least you know he lies. So better the devil you know than someone in disguise at the crossroads. Ooh, da, 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 Now if I sell my soul to a sinner, smiling at midnight, maybe I may finally see the sun. It was like gazing all the better men with plastic hands, my money strokes apart. So why don't I sell my soul to the devil? Maybe you'll know what to do. Yeah, oh, maybe I see glory days and smell sweet perfume. You see what they do with the devil, at least you know he lies. So better the devil you know than someone in disguise at the crossroads. Woo-hoo-hoo, I was using that whole song to think about what to say. So that's called Crossroads. It's one of my songs, and then this next one isn't. But if you know it, good for you, I guess. Looking out across the night hall, the city's heart begins to beat. See that girl, she knows I'm watching. She knows her on the street. Get me out into the nighttime. The walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just in my own, let me take a bite. They say why? Tell me that it's human nature. Why does she do it that way? Why? Tell me that it's human nature. Why does she do it that way? Reaching out, touch a stranger, electric eyes everywhere. See that girl, she knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. And they say why? Tell me that it's human nature. Why does she do it that way? Why? Don't you tell me that it's human nature. Why does she do it that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way. Danny could play basketball, I think.